What's going on, guys? And this is Steve with Momentum Marketing Tips. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about getting more Instagram followers, growing your brand on Instagram, and getting quality Instagram followers. Okay, so I'm going to go over a few quick tips. I'm not going to be too long, but show you some actionable steps that you can take on your Instagram account to help you grow. Okay, so I hope this helps, and I'm going to jump into it right now. First thing, learn the most popular hashtags for your brand and personality. Okay. So one of the reasons you want to make sure that you learn popular hashtags and research popular hashtags, probably a better word, is because hashtags are going to get you more views to your post. Okay. Initially, it's going to get you more views to your post. If you have set up your Instagram profile correctly, it's going to get you more views to your profile. Okay. So there's another video on the YouTube channel about setting up your Instagram profile correctly. So I'm not going to go too deep into that. But what these hashtags will do will bring more people to your page. And you can actually track that using your Instagram analytics if you have Instagram set up as a business on your back end. Okay. All right. So another reason is another facet of this is you want to make sure you have keywords that have volume. So they have people actually looking for them. But you don't want to get keywords that are too saturated. So like for this one, photos would have like millions of people, right, looking for photos. Okay. You may get people that will come to your picture because you hashtag photos, but it's going to be in a very short window of time because there are so much competition for that hashtag. Okay. So maybe something like Houston photos, something more specific, or Miami photos, a little bit more specific, will get you people who are specifically looking for that hashtag. And it's going to get you actually more views and more likes to your post. Okay. This is also another way to get very specific and targeted with who you want to attract to your profile and to your post. All right. So what you can do is you can go research the keywords for your niche. So if you're a doctor, or if you're a plumber, or if you are a real estate agent, go research the keywords that are relevant to your niche. Copy it and put them on like a notepad, email them to yourself. And then every time you post, just paste those at the bottom of your post underneath your caption, which will give you more visibility. Only takes about, after you've got your hashtags down, it's only going to take you about an extra 10, 15 seconds to add that onto your post and your caption. Okay. So learn the most popular hashtags for your brand and personality. Consistently use those to help you get more likes, views, and engagement on your profile. Okay. Next thing, use high quality photos, no fuzzy images. Okay. So can't really stress this enough, how important it is to use high quality photos. Now, this does not mean that they have to be all photographer quality. If you can get those, that's perfect. If you can't, phones and mobile devices, tablets will take really, really, really good pictures these days. Okay. So don't sleep on the quality of photo you can take using these devices, but you don't want any fuzzy images, any images that didn't have time to focus, that don't really show you or don't show your service or product. You don't want to put these images you don't want to post them, one, and you don't want to have them on your profile too. Okay. Now, remember, when someone's making a decision on whether or not they want to follow you, they're going to be looking at not just the post that you just posted, but they're going to be looking at your profile. So your profile should look like it has something, some type of rhyme or reason to it. And also should look like you spent some type of time on the profile. Okay. So one of the ways you can really, really ramp up the amount of people that are going to follow you is to use high quality photos when you're posting. Okay. Very simple, but very, very powerful. Next thing, posting at the best times of the day. So these are times that I found for myself, as well as for a lot of my clients, that have worked really well in terms of when they're going to post. Okay. So early Monday morning is a really, really good time to post. Now, when I say early Monday morning, we're talking around between 6 and 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay. Typically, you're going to find people who are getting up on their way to the office or to work or whatever the case may be, and just kind of, perusing or browsing Instagram. So you can catch a lot of people who will get your content if you post it early enough so that they'll see yours first. There's not going to be a ton of people posting, let's say at 6:30 a.m. So it won't be much competition in terms of whose post Instagram is going to show at that time of day. Okay. Next one, Friday around 4. A little bit of the reverse. So end of the week, people are getting out of work mode, leaving their job or business or whatever the case may be. They're going to be checking their phone. So this is a high volume time, very, very good time to post. Really, anything that you're going to post Friday around 4. Okay. Early weekend mornings, this is probably the second best time of all to post. Obviously, you're going to have most people are not going to be working on weekends. So if you post, you're going to have at least double the amount of opportunity to get people to see it. Now, you want to do this weekend mornings, because if you wait till weekend afternoons, people are going to kind of be out and about and doing stuff, not really on their phone. But if you can post between, I would say, 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, that is a great time to post on Instagram, and will get you a ton of engagement. Okay. Now I said no more than one post a day. Now, when you're beginning, I'd say no more than one post a day. You don't need to post 2 and 3 times a day. You really could get away with 3 times a week or 2 to 3 times a week in terms of posting. The big thing is you want to be consistent. Show Instagram, show the platform that you're consistently engaging and putting content out there. Instagram loves content creators. So the more you create content, the more they're going to reward you by showing more people your content. Okay. So you want to make sure you're posting the best times of the day. And that's pretty much what that is. All right. Now, posting to your Instagram story for more likes. Now, we're talking about posting in general over the last couple of points that we went over, but take the same content that you're posting on your profile and just upload it into Instagram story. Instagram story is going to give you another huge opportunity to get in front of people who just may not even have seen your post. Okay. So if you're going to post a video there, screenshot the video, put it on your story. Okay. If you want to post a picture, take the same picture, post it on your story. Somebody may be going through Instagram stories. They come across your story. They see a picture or something that interests them and they say, oh, okay, let me check this out. So they go to your profile and then they can look and see if they like the video or picture. If they do, they'll like or comment. And now that person who you would have lost had you not posted on your Instagram story is on your profile, and you have an opportunity to gain them as a follower as well. Okay. So just make your story posting just as consistent as your Instagram post. Again, posting to your Instagram story is literally a matter of seconds, minutes, if you're really slow. Okay. And finally, outsourcing the growth process. Okay. So all of these things we talked about today are going to, if you consistently do them, are going to grow your page. Okay. You have to do a little bit of research with the keywords, use high quality photos, posting at the right times of day, and using Instagram story. That will grow your page. Okay. Now, outsourcing the growth process, if you understand, if you don't have the time to do this consistently, the best and fastest way to grow your page is to outsource the growth process to an agency. All right. So what they're going to do is basically do the same things we talked about here. Obviously, they're going to go in further detail with a lot more powerful techniques to grow your page with real, actual followers. These aren't bought followers or fake followers, but real, actual followers, so that you're getting, 5 to 10 followers per day, right? You get anywhere from 200 to 300 followers per month. Really good, solid, targeted followers, which can be huge for your business. Now, if you're a real estate agent, if you are, whether or not you have a restaurant, this can be huge in terms of the return because the budget for this is very, very minimal in comparison to the return. Okay, so if you want to outsource the growth process, you can click the link in my bio and you can see our Momentum Instagram growth automation program. Just click that second link that says having trouble growing your Instagram account. You'll see all the information, all the details there if you're interested in outsourcing the growth process. For some of you that may not be at that place where you want to allocate any type of budget for that, you can still use the techniques that we talked about in the beginning of the video to be growing your account. Just set aside a little bit of time a day to do that. It will pay off. Okay. And again, outsourcing, just to kind of recap on that, is going to be so much cheaper than you having to run paid ads to your Instagram account. I can't stress how much cheaper and how much easier it is than doing that. Okay. So don't forget, guys, to go over to the YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. If you click on the link in my bio, you'll see the YouTube channel there. There's a ton of videos there to help you, not only with Instagram, but with Facebook, things like how to track success in your business. It's a ton of over 60 videos there of free content to show you how to really build your business through different online marketing tips in a fast way. Okay, so it's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up now, and I will see you on the next video. Be safe.